So we're in my opinion, we are at the best hand wash, car wash in North Jersey. So we're about to take the Saab through it and then give the vehicle a full spring detail. I'm going to, after this, bring it back to the garage, let the paint cool off, and then I'm going to do a clay bar, and then I'm going to do a hard cut compound, and then I'm going to do a polish and then hand wax. Alright, so I'm about to put in the garage, let the paint cool off, but I want to do a quick walk around to show you what hopefully I am correcting in this process. All of the swirls, the feeling of sap tree from pollen, you'll see all around the black paint, of course, it's black, you'll see that there's swirl marks almost everywhere. So the swirl marks, and of course all of the debris that's caked on to the paint is all going to try to be removed between the clay bar and the polishing, buffing, compound, all that good stuff. So that is what's happening next. I'm probably going to cut a few corners, one being all the plastic trim. If you wanted to do it the right way, you would tape that all off and all the rubber pieces, but I'm not going to do that here. I'm just going to be careful, and then of course go ahead and clean it up after. But you'll see, you can see it here, a little before, and soon I will show you the after. Stay tuned. Alright, so the next step I'm going to do is rubbing compound using this pad, and then following that up with machine polishing with this pad. Check it out. So after doing a hard cut on the paint, it's time to do a little machine shop polish, and I'm going to go ahead and wash the car and do a hand wax. Alright, so I'm done. I had to cut out the hand wash and the wax because my camera's dying here, but I saved a little bit to show you the final product. And as you can see, there is much less swirl marks. This is all just some dust. Nice and clean. So this paint is 16 years old, so it's not going to be perfect, but it sure as hell looks pretty damn good, except for some body damage here. I should walk over this way, it's better. But yeah, you can see even on the hood here, all the chip paint. There's nothing I can do about that, but the paint's really nice and smooth and it feels good, and I think it looks good enough to me. Leave your comments below, hit that like, hit that share. Love interacting with you guys if you have any questions, so I'll see you next video. Thanks.